Pretty neat sample, you find that. This slide is very thick actually. So this is my glass slide. I'm keeping it at a heated platform. I will take one cover slip here. I'll keep cover slip some bit here. No, this is not rotacord. And now I'll make a very small little drop. I go down and I find the chamber, and this is my chamber. In this chamber, what I'm getting is, you see, all those dead sperms have gone, and we are getting very clean sample over here. And look at their tails. Look at how they are moving, and so the count has. See another field which you get here. Do you find any aggregation or agglutination here? No. I'll go to higher magnification now. What will I do? I go to 40 towards myself, and I'll go towards myself. Now it's going high. So I will try to not able to get here.
Light increase.
No, light का नहीं है, अटक रहा है. Many people handle it. Somebody would have hyper capacitated, and we can see them better. So this one more view which I'm getting here. See the sperms here? So look at their speed now. Count is around 4 million now.
मतलब the number of sperms you can see that million per
Number of at 28.
So when you see the pre-wash count, then also it's like that only.
Yeah.
Under 28, how many we can get in that field?
Yeah. I go to a higher magnification, increase the brightness, and just go and try to look at the sperm now. Look at the speed of this sperm. See, the count from 8 to 9 million has come to 3 million. That's okay, absolutely okay. But at least you're getting such beautiful sperms there.
मतलब इसमें अगर एक से भी कम मतलब if you don't say anything, then we are not supposed to do the IUI with that sample.
You can't. But what I want to convey to you here is that वो तो नहीं करेंगे ना. I'm just saying to tell you one thing, that see, having 10 sperms with aggregation and agglutination is better to get sperms like this. And now we are actually at I've taken a very thin smear, and look at this sample now. So all those aggregations, agglutinations, see, look at this. नहीं, वो फील्ड की बात होती है. So इसमें कभी आ रहे हैं 3-4 मिलियन आ रहे हैं. हमने शुरू करा था 8 मिलियन. खाना वाना खाया करो, हाथ दुखता है. तो 22 उनके हाथ दुखते हैं. नहीं कोई बात नहीं बेटा. Is it difficult? बहुत difficult होता है. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. Thank you बेटा. Thank you.
But sir, will be मतलब थोड़ा सैंपल कम हो जाएगा ना अपना हम ऐसे पोस्ट वॉश.
कितना बड़े सैंपल देख तो रहो.
नहीं मतलब सैंपल अमाउंट ऑफ सैंपल फॉर IUI.
No, you can take 500 microliter. But look at this sample now. Look at this sample now. This is in front of you only. Look at this sample now. What do you say? Isn't it phenomenal? I think it's phenomenal.
Yes.
And who did this? We did this. So let them. Somebody can speak about the procedure.